Is your iPhone Panorama Mode not working properly, or are you unsure how to use it? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to take stunning panorama pictures using your iPhone. Let's jump right into the process. Solution 1. Open the camera app on your iPhone. Swipe left on the screen until you reach the Pano mode. Solution 2. Set up the panorama. Hold your iPhone in portrait orientation. Tap the shutter button to start taking the panorama. Slowly move your iPhone from left to right or right to left in a straight line. Follow the on-screen guide to keep the arrow on the line. Solution 3. Complete the panorama. Once you've captured the desired scenes, tap the shutter button again to stop. Your panorama picture will be saved to your Photos app. So that's how you can easily take panorama pictures with your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.